Hello, my name is Jane, and I'm going to tell you about the next step of the process. Today, we're going to learn about turbines. Have you ever had one of these? Do you know what makes it move around? Can you see that each blade is shaped like a scoop? This is so that the wind, or your breath, gets caught in the scoop and pushes the blades around. You may have seen some turbines out in the fields that are powered by the wind. They are very tall and usually have 3 long blades that turn slowly. This is a wonderful use of a natural resource to generate electricity, and one that will be used as much as possible. However, what happens when the wind doesn't blow? Or maybe there's just a gentle breeze, so it is not strong enough to turn the turbines. What else can you think of that generates electricity? The generators at Drax power station, you'll hear about those shortly, use a renewable fuel to produce energy to turn our turbines. Can you remember the name of our renewable fuel? It's called biomass. And the energy we get from this fuel comes in the form of heat from the superheated steam that was made in the boilers. This incredibly hot steam, more than 5 times hotter than the steam produced by a kettle, pushes our turbines round. Now, our turbines are far more complicated than a wind turbine. For a start, we have 5 turbines all attached to each other in a row in each of our generating units. And we have 6 units, so who's good at numeracy? Can you work out how many turbines we have altogether? The first turbine, which is the smallest one, is called the high pressure turbine. You can see that the turbines at Drax have many more blades than a wind turbine, and they are much closer together. This allows the superheated steam to force the blades round much faster. The superheated steam comes to this turbine first and spins the turbine 3,000 times per minute. That's 50 times in 1 second. Wow! That is super fast. Do you think you could spin 50 times in 1 second? If you try, please make sure you have plenty of room around you. The hot steam then moves on to the second turbine, which is a bit bigger, and this one is called the intermediate pressure turbine. That means it's middle-sized. This turbine is attached to the first. How fast is the intermediate turbine spinning? The last 3 turbines are all the same size, and these are the biggest. They are called low-pressure turbines, and they are huge. The circle of blades is 4 meters wide, and each turbine weighs 56 tons. That's about the same weight as 56 cars. In fact, if you add all the turbines together, it is just over 200 tons. So not only does the steam need to be super hot, it also needs to be super strong to move all those turbines so quickly. How quickly do you think the large turbines are spinning? Do you know why? So we have used the superheated steam to turn our turbines round. And because the turbines are spinning, this makes part of the generator spin too. Let's find out about generators in the next part of the virtual tour. Thank you for joining me. Here are some questions about turbines. Here are the questions. Question 1. How many low-pressure turbines in each unit. Question 2. What is the name of the steam used? Question 3. Where does the steam come from? Question 4. How many times per second do the turbines spin? Question 5. How many blades are usually on a wind turbine? Good luck!
No, I have to do this video thing. Yeah, it's quite officey.